How to hide photos on iPhone and even hide the hidden album. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide photos on iPhone, including the hidden folder or hidden album. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Photos app. After you're on the Photos app, just hide whatever you want. So I'll just hide these two back screens. Tap on the three dots here and tap on hide. Now tap on hide to photos, confirm that, and after doing that, now if you want to access the hidden folder, you'll just have to scroll down and there under utilities you'll find hidden option. Tap on it, tap on view album and go through the authentication method, and now you're on the hidden album. So that is basically how you hide photos. Now if you want to hide this hidden folder as well, scroll down all the way. There you will see customize and reorder, and now simply remove the utilities. After you do that, you will see that there is no option to access your hidden folder. And that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.